In the bustling city of Lahore, there lived a young man named Aham. Aham had big dreams and ambitions, but he struggled to achieve them due to his lack of discipline. He would often procrastinate, watch excessive TV, and spend hours scrolling through social media. Despite his potential, Aham felt stuck and uncertain about his future. One day, Aham's life took a significant turn when he met a wise old man named Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali was a successful businessman and a mentor to many young entrepreneurs. He saw potential in Aham and decided to share his wisdom with him. "Aham, my young friend," Mr. Ali said, "the key to success lies in daily discipline. It's not about being perfect, but about being consistent. By developing good habits and sticking to them, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Aham was intrigued by Mr. Ali's words and asked him to elaborate. Mr. Ali smiled and began to share his own story. "I used to be like you, Aham. I would procrastinate and waste time on unnecessary things. But one day, I realized that I had a choice to make. I could continue living the same way, or I could take control of my life and create the future I wanted. I chose the latter." Mr. Ali explained that he started small, by waking up early every morning and dedicating a few hours to his business. He prioritized his tasks, managed his time effectively, and tracked his progress. As time went by, Mr. Ali's business flourished, and he became a respected entrepreneur in his community. Aham was inspired by Mr. Ali's story and decided to implement daily discipline in his own life. He started waking up at 5 a.m. every day, exercised for an hour, and dedicated 2 hours to learning new skills. He prioritized his tasks, avoided distractions, and tracked his progress. At first, it was challenging for Aham to stick to his routine. He would feel tired, bored, or demotivated, but he persisted. He reminded himself of his goals and the reasons why he wanted to achieve them. Slowly but surely, Aham started to notice changes in his life. He became more productive, focused, and confident. He started to see progress in his skills and knowledge, and he felt a sense of accomplishment every day. Aham's relationships with his family and friends also improved, as he became more reliable and responsible. As Aham continued to practice daily discipline, he faced many challenges and setbacks. Some days, he would feel like giving up, but he didn't. He kept pushing forward, knowing that every small step he took would bring him closer to his goals. Months turned into years, and Aham's life transformed dramatically. He became a successful entrepreneur, known for his innovative ideas and leadership skills. People looked up to him as a role model, and he inspired many young people to develop daily discipline and pursue their passions. Aham's journey taught him many valuable lessons. He learned that daily discipline is not just about achieving goals, but about building character and resilience. He realized that success is not a destination, but a journey, and that every small step counts. Aham's journey is a testament to the power of daily discipline. By developing good habits and sticking to them, we can achieve our goals, build confidence, and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. Every small step counts, and with daily discipline, you can reach your full potential.